How do you save drafts in Gmail? When you compose an email and put in the information that you would like to send, once you start typing something, uh, Google automatically saves that as a draft. So you can deliberately turn this off by clicking save and close at the top there, and you go to where it says drafts. As you notice, we already have one draft. If you click on it, you will notice that this is the draft that we're working on. So the moment you start typing something on a message that you want to compose, you are actually creating a draft. And once you turn off here by saying save and close, the draft will go there. Now, if you want to use the draft, you simply click it and then continue using it. If you click here, it saves whatever you have changed. What if you no longer want this draft? All you have to do is to click here and then say discard drafts, and it's gone. So this is how you make use of drafts in Gmail.